Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be packing for a 3-day trip. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. This is the backpack I'll be using for this trip. This is the MZ Wallace Metro backpack. It has a pocket here, and this is what it looks like. There's a slip pocket inside, very spacious. And on the side, it has 2 water bottle holders. There's 2 pull tabs for the main compartment. This is what the main compartment looks like. Lots of organization. There's a laptop compartment here, zip pocket with 2 slip pockets inside. On the other side, another zip pocket with 2 slip pockets inside. And it also comes with this spacious pouch. And that's the inside. There's a slip pocket here as well. And let me see, there's a key leash. This is actually for the pouch, but you can use it as a key leash. That way you know where your keys are. I love the quilted fabric on this backpack. That's what it looks like. And this is the back. The straps are padded, and it has a pocket here. And it also doubles as a luggage pass-through. You just unzip it like that, and you can put it onto your luggage, which is great. But for this trip, I will be using this backpack only. So I will use this as a pocket, and it has a magnetic closure. Now let me go ahead and show you what I will be packing. Starting off with what I'll be wearing on this trip, we are going to DC, so it will be cold. So I will be bringing this sweater. And then this long sleeve shirt. This one's from H&M. And then I'll be bringing these black trousers, 1 pair of pajamas, and then this is what I'll be wearing on day 1 going there. This is a cardigan, 36-degree long sleeve shirt, and jeans. So then day 2, I can either wear this outfit or I can wear this sweater with jeans. I can just mix and match. I'll put my capsule wardrobe on the screen. That way you guys can see how I mix and match these few items. So since I'll be wearing this on day 1, I won't pack these. I'll use a packing cube for this trip. And I like to lay my clothes flat. I know some of you like to do the army roll. My spouse does that as well. But I like to lay mine flat. I feel like I get more space that way. Not sure if that's true, but it works for me. And then off camera, I will put my undergarments and my socks in here. So let's close this up. These are Bag Smart compression cubes. I got them off of Amazon. And if you don't overstuff them, you can compress them down. Let's see if we can do it. The zippers are really durable on this. And this is the pull tab. There you go. That's what it looks like compressed. But for me, a lot of the times I don't even compress it down. I just leave it as is. I still need to put my undergarments in here. So that's what I will be wearing for the trip. And here's everything else that I'll be bringing. These are travel slippers. I got them off of Amazon. I like that you can sanitize them after each use. You could even fold them up if you wanted to. Just like that, and put it in the bag that way. It does come with this canvas pouch, which is great. And these are really comfortable to wear. I like to wear slippers in the hotel room. That's what it looks like. And then I have our toiletries in here. My spouse and I will be using this 1 toiletry bag for the trip. This is a lot of stuff, but we had it packed from when we went to the marathon. So I just added more stuff in here, replenished some things. In the top pocket, I have all of our makeup. And then I have in this section our Q-tips, I have some Olay cleansing melts. And then I have toothpaste. These are toothpaste tabs. And we need to replenish, but this is good enough for the trip. We cut them in half. And then floss, a hairbrush. This is a brush comb combo. Some hair ties. And then I have these clips in here. I use these when I wash my face or I put my hair in a bun. And then in this section here, I have our toothbrush, face towels. I have sensitive skin, so I like to use my own face towels. And then I have an extra pair of contacts. I almost forgot to pack my contact solution and case. And next I have this rose quartz roller. We use a gua sha, but I don't know where it is, so I'm just going to bring this. We like to use this at night to depuff our face and sometimes in the morning if we have time. This side is for your face, and then this is for your under eyes. And it feels really good. Who doesn't love a face massage? And our night cream, which is the Egyptian Magic, and then daytime cream, which is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. And then over that we put the It's CC Cream Nude Glow. This has SPF 40. And then what else is in here? Oh, these hero patches, pimple patches, and the Osea, I think that's how you say it, Ocean Eyes. This is a roller and it feels really nice and cooling. And then I do this treatment at night. For this trip, we will be driving, so I don't need to put my liquids in a different bag. So there's that. This is a lot of toiletries for just 3 days, but this was already packed. Next, I have this microfiber towel. I like to use this when I shower. It comes in a set of 2. And then disposable bed sheets. Don't knock it till you try it. And then I have some hand sanitizer, travel wipes. These are sterilized water baby wipes, and then Purell wipes. So always got to bring that. I have our pill case here, and we have our supplements inside. My sunglasses, these are from Amazon, and they're my favorite. They're lightweight, and they look super chic. And then electronics. I just have Shocks headphones in here, and then my wall charger, a portable charger. This lasts so long. It has a little kickstand, and it comes with its own charging cord. This is my old cell phone. I'm filming with my current cell phone, which is the iPhone 16. And then I'm bringing my Hobonichi Weeks and iPad mini. And this is my EDC. It stands for Everyday Carry. There's just in case items in here. There's wipes, shout wipe, Tylenol. I have a first aid kit, some cash and coins. I have a sewing kit. Did I say that already? Floss and Colgate Wisp. And then Salonpas and some sanitizer in there. And then the bag I'll be bringing is this little cutie. This is from Jamie Lady. This is an upcycled Louis Vuitton bag. I don't need much for this trip when we're walking around. Our hotel is right next to the White House. So I'll be holding my phone in my hand, but I have this packed already. This is what it looks like. So in here, I just have some hand sanitizer. I have tissues. I have a travel wipe, some Colgate Wisp and floss, and some Q-tips. We are foodies, so we definitely will need this after each restaurant. And I'll be putting my credit cards and ID in here. I didn't want to show you guys that, but this is what I have to represent that. And if you guys can see right in here, I have a Ricola. I have my multi-tool. Let me show you. This is Yosemite. Have you guys been there before? It has a blade a nail file, a screwdriver, and it has a pair of scissors, and they're really sharp. It has a toothpick, and it has tweezers. Isn't that so cute? It's so compact. I still love my Swiss card, but this is really cute. And then I have a hair tie in here, and then this little cutie. This is a compact mirror, and it has a little puff pad. So cute. Oop. I got this off of eBay. It's so cute. So as you can see, there's tons of space in here. I can fit a little more down in here. Let's see if this chapstick will fit inside. And it will. Oh my gosh, so cute. So that's the bag I'll be bringing, and I'll just have my phone in my hand. Now let's go ahead and pack the backpack. Okay, first item, let's put this in the laptop compartment. And then my slippers, let's put it in this bag. You could even use this bag for your dirty laundry. Towel will go on the bottom, just like that. Clothes, put that like that. Electronics, let's put that in this pocket. Realistically, I would have my phone in my hand, so I won't pack that in here. iPad and Hobonichi Weeks will go in this back pocket. EDC, I'll also put in the front pocket here. That's what it looks like so far. And then let's put the toiletry bag right on top. And then let me close this main compartment. Oh wait, let me put my bag in here as well. And then in the front pocket, let's put all of the wipes. And then my supplements case, hand sanitizer, close that up. And then my sunglasses I'll wear on top of my head. I forgot to mention, I will only be wearing one pair of shoes for this trip. So there you go, you guys. I didn't even put anything on the sides or in the back. There's still room, but once I use the disposable sheets, there's going to be even more room. See, it's really spacious. And let me see. Let me weigh this bag. All right, let's see. It's 11.6 pounds. Not bad. So there you go, you guys. That's what I'll be bringing for this 3-day trip. I love doing one bag travel. Let me know if you're the same and what backpack you use. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!